Is your ham radio setup falling behind in the times? Are you ready to see what's pushing the boundaries of our hobby in 2025? Stick around because today I'm revealing the top 5 game changing ham radio innovations you need to know about. These are not just upgrades, they are transforming how we communicate. Hey guys, welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you being here. Thanks for liking and subscribing down below. And don't forget, we now have channel membership options available. If you want to support Ham Radio or Ham Shack TV, make sure to click the join button down below. Check out the different options that we have. We have 3 different tiers of memberships. Go check that out. Let's get busy. Why are you here to watch this video? Well, you want to know what the top 5 innovations are. First up, this is the generation of the SDR. The rise of the next generation of them, that is. An SDR, if you're not familiar with, that's a software-defined radio. These radios now come equipped with AI power signal filtering, making noisy bands a thing of the past. Imagine pulling in a weak DX signal with a crystal clear clarity, no matter the interference. Whether you're chasing your rare contacts or experimenting with digital modes, this technology is a game changer. And all these topics we're going to talk about, I will make more detailed videos later. This is just an overview video. The second innovation is compact all-band antennas, perfect for those of us in HOAs or limited spaces. One standout is the new foldable Yaggi that covers HF to UHF without sacrificing performance. Whether you're portable operating or setting up in tight quarters, this innovation ensures you stay on the air anywhere. Third is a game changer for the modern operator, real-time remote operation. With advancements in apps and hardware, you can now control your entire shack from your smartphone or tablet. Imagine tuning your rig from a coffee shop or logging a QSO while camping. The possibilities are endless. Fourth, and this is what everybody's talking about, AI enhanced logging and contesting. AI, it's like having a co-pilot in the shack. These tools can help spot call signs, log QSOs in real time, and even predict the best bands for DX contacts based on propagation data. If you're serious about contests or awards, this innovation will take your game to the next level. And finally, innovation number 5 is integrated emergency communication kits. These kits now have solar-powered transceivers, multi-band capability, and easy-to-use digital interfaces, making them indispensable for disaster preparedness. Ham radio's role in emergencies is evolving, and these kits are leading the change. So there you have it, the top 5 innovations shaping ham radio in 2025. What are you excited about the most? Drop a comment down below and let's discuss. And if you enjoyed this video, again, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your fellow hams. Again, don't forget we do have channel memberships now available, so check those out. But if you're not already subscribed, that's the first step. Go ahead and subscribe. And right next to the subscribe button, you'll see a little notification bell. That notification bell will let you know when I post a video or go live right here on Ham Shack TV. We'll be making more videos soon to go in a little bit more detail about these new innovations coming to amateur radio. And again, if you want to dive deeper into these topics, you can go to the Discord link down below and join the Ham Shack TV Discord. Have constant conversations there all the time. Meet your fellow hams, that kind of thing. If you are looking for ham radio equipment or prepper supplies, things like that, don't forget the Ham Shack TV store. www.amazon.com/shop/Ham Shack TV. We've got all kinds of great stuff. Links down in the description below. That's it for now, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here and hope that you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. 73s. This is AA4WX, WSEB.